Timber movies. We're going to be doing quad versus John Deere, which we haven't done at all yet. I don't think my old man's going to like it, but this is going to be fun. This thing's all hydro stack, so it's got to suck against the quad. Ready, Tim? After we just filled in the holes, this was on the John Deere, and it broke. I'm blaming him. Nah. I just say he was yanking a little too hard with the quad, and it broke. Right on. But it broke the link. So, we healed this off, so I'm screwed. Okay.